Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 9th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, very nice push up on the dollar yen today. I actually went a long way down here on Monday, at the break of structure. Now, it looks like a wave 4, it looks like a wave 5. If it is a wave 5, it probably will go up and take out the previous highs right around the 157.8 to maybe 158 area. And it looks like a wave one, looks like a wave two, looks like we're currently in a wave three. So even if it does start to pull back, it's probably just going to be like a wave four. And then I would expect to see at least more push us to the upside for a wave five. We do have FOMC interest rate coming out tomorrow. Definitely a very large news event. So if we do get some sort of reversal at the news event, as in it goes up, takes out the high, and then reverses back down and breaks structure, we may have a much larger turn on our hands. But for now, the trend is up, and the trend is definitely your friend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.